Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the environment. Close background apps and stop syncing services so the CPU and memory are available for the game. Once done, enable game mode and set performance to high. This prioritizes rendering threads. Make sure to clear the game cache and check storage. Leave around 20% free to avoid system stalls. Then reboot the device to flush resources and open only the game. This first pass removes common interference and prepares the system for stable FPS. Next, you adjust the detailed settings that actually affect frame pacing. Lower resolution or choose a 16:9 render ratio if supported, and set graphics to medium. Then turn off shadows, anti-aliasing, and bloom. These shave heavy GPU load without hurting gameplay clarity. Make sure the CPU governor is set to performance or locked to a higher frequency, and disable unnecessary background processes. Once those changes are applied, run a short match to observe frame stability and identify any remaining bottlenecks. Finish by updating the GPU drivers and the game client, because patches often fix timing and optimization bugs. You should verify game files or reinstall if corruption is suspected. Switch to a wired connection or stable Wi-Fi to rule out packet loss causing perceived FPS drops. If problems continue, reset to factory in-game settings and reapply only one tweak at a time. This isolates the offender. Key troubleshooting tip: if a single change spikes drops, revert it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.